I think to the EU's great credit, and by that I would particularly mean the EMEA, the European Commission, as well as all the different national health authorities around the EU, have, to their great credit, developed an excellent system of expedited regulatory mechanisms which do ensure that at least the registration process of new medicines is enhanced to help ensure the ultimate access to these agents for such patients. There are a wide variety of systems available which both enhance the actual design of the drug development process to ensure it meets regulatory standards, as well as operationally support the actual review of the dossier the moment it actually lands on the reviewer's desk. And we typically would think of accelerated assessment, the PRIME initiative, as well as the conditional marketing authorization scheme. I think whilst it's very admirable that the EU has these mechanisms and uses these mechanisms, I think many in industry would observe that in comparison, say, to the comparable US systems that are available as well, which the FDA can use and perhaps other jurisdictions, perhaps the EU is slower or more reticent to use some of these systems. Of course, they should always be used only where appropriate, but their use is perhaps less than in other jurisdictions, so that might be something for us to work on in the future. But nevertheless, particularly if you look at things like the conditional marketing authorization scheme, this is actually an inspiration for many jurisdictions around the world, and even the US FDA are carefully looking at that at the moment. So overall, I think we've got an excellent basis of expedited regulatory mechanisms for ensuring patient access in the EU, particularly for those patients suffering from rare diseases.